Hello and welcome to another segment to my haul and unboxing video. Super excited to be doing this today. I have a number of things that I want to show you, not too many. Alright, the first product that I'm going to show you is from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It comes, it's a velour lip scrub in orange soda. It comes in this cute little box. And yes, I have it, and I just totally put it in the box so I can take it back out again. This is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. And this, it does taste good. Like, oh man, it smells good. I've already used it today, so. What the fuck is wrong with me? Other product that I got from Jeffree Star Cosmetics is the Liquid Bra Highlighter in the shade Ice Queen. In my get ready video that I actually just filmed moments ago, I had a nice little accident with this. So depending on what gets posted first, you'll either know what I'm talking about or you'll have to wait and see for yourself, because it's kind of funny. I had to play, oh, let's save the day. I was thinking I'd have to save the day with the freaking eyeshadow. No, it was the highlighter of all things. The other two products that I have today is I have a mascara from Rimmel London, and the Scandalize Retro Glam Mascara in black. It's a volumizing mascara. That is a nice brush, nice and big. I need them big. My holy grail eyeliner, Maybelline Define a Line. Went ahead and picked up another one because I'm not sure where I'm at with the one I'm currently using, but the fact that I couldn't find this one for a few months doesn't hurt to stock up, am I right? The last thing that I got, it's a set. Avon NeutraFX Active Seed Complex Balance Day Cream. The day cream has SPF 15. It looks like this. It looks similar to the other one that I got. This one's balanced, the other one's hydration. So I also have a night cream. It is a gel cream and it says that it's oil free. Really excited to give that a try. That is the end of the beauty haul and unboxing. So until the next one. Oh, I'm itchy. Oh, I'm itchy. Itchy, itchy, itchy. Oh my god, so welcome to another haul and unboxing video, portion video, something. Okay, I have a number of things to show you because I have a problem. It's fine. I do have some basics, and then I have things that I probably didn't need, and then things that I did, and then I don't know. But I have more makeup removing pads. I love these. I will always get these. Even if I try a different brand, I will still get these. I have another Tresemme, set shampoo and conditioner. Touchable softness. Speaking of shampoo, I want to try something that I've never tried before. I have no idea how to say this, so I'm just going to show you. And everything will be listed and linked down below anyway, so there's that. But yeah, like a dry shampoo, I don't even know how to use this. I mean, I'll read the directions. Wow, I can actually feel a little bit of a difference. Did I just waste my money? Not like it was that much anyway, but I mean. Alright, so more shampoo and conditioner. I got Garnier Whole Blends Oat Delicacy, and it comes with a free trial size shampoo. I believe it's called Honey Treasures. Stop looking at me, Schwan. Alright, so I have a number of things to go through still, which is absolutely insane because we're still in the same segment, right? Oh my god. So I'm not sure if this is worth mentioning or not, but I'm going to anyway. But I went ahead and picked up another hand soap. A couple other things that I picked up when I was at Ulta the other day. More Shea Sugar Scrubs by Tree Hut. I got one in coconut lime and then lemon blueberry tart. I'm really excited to use these. I'm kind of nervous about this one because I might be tempted to like eat my arm off. Alright, so let's enter mask world. I have 5 new masks. I have 3 by Tony Moly. One is a clear skin mask. It's a rice mask called I'm Real. The other one is a purifying mask. It's a cactus mask. A skin purifying mask. It says I'm green tea. Okay, so seriously, I need a fucking shower. Like, this is ridiculous. The last 2 masks that I have, which I have used these before, I do like these. Yes to Coconut Hydrate and Restore. store. And then yes to cucumbers. It's a soothing, calming mask. The last few items I have are in a couple different categories. I'm gonna go in and do my brushes first. I had to get another buffer brush by Model's Own. I just got another one of these and it works great. I just had to get another. It's for like foundation and shit. Dude, it's the best thing I've ever used. Then I went ahead and I got a couple eyeshadow brushes, a blending brush, and then just a regular eyeshadow brush by e.l.f. I already have a couple of these brushes. I wanted more. Alright, and the last two products that I have, I'm finally jumping on the bandwagon and trying something that I've been wanting to try for like ever. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm so excited to try this. So many people rave about this powder and I want to see if it's worth the hype. I have a feeling it probably is. I'm just kidding. Okay, so for the last thing, since I can make a whole video out of this, I've been wanting to try a white eyeliner for a while. I see people using them and I'm like, white? What the fuck? But anyway, I picked up the Infallible Mechanical Eyeliner from L'Oreal Paris in white. So, I don't know. I hope you enjoyed it. Everything will be listed and linked in the description box below, and until the next. Hello and welcome back to another segment of my haul and unboxing video. I only have a few things to show you. I do want to make a special shout out. So for a while now you've probably seen my Makeup with Manda banner. This is my first time doing like a public on video announcement because I just started using those, and if you've noticed, the videos that I put out are basically like 2 months old as far as being filmed. I don't know, it's a weird timeline. But anyway, I wanted to make a special shout out to Matt Flint for doing that commission as well as the other banner for my vlogs. Super awesome. I don't know, it gives the whole thing a whole new vibe, and I just wanted to come on camera and actually thank you, Matt. And then for those of you that are not familiar with who that is, every single video, his stuff will be in the description box. So if you haven't checked out his artwork, do that right now. Stop watching the video or pull up your phone, or if you're using your phone, go somewhere else, check out his stuff. Anyway, without further ado, I literally only have a few things, so I'm gonna just get right to it. I never seem to have enough chapstick in my life, and there was a pretty good deal going, and I ended up just getting 3-pack of the Blistex Enhancement series. I live for Blistex. I always have. Deep Renewal, which I have one of that might be running out soon. Global Blend, which I've never used, and Ultra Rich Hydration, which I may have used once like a long time ago. So excited to try that. I have a new mascara because I'm already fighting with the CoverGirl. Like even when I use the primer, I'm fighting with it, and I'm kind of over it, and whatever, I don't care. So I got the Rimmel London Scandalize mascara, and this is Unstoppable Volume. I used a Scandalize before. And lastly, I needed to pick up another cleanser, so I went ahead and got the Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying Cream to Foam Detox Cleanser. We shall see how this goes. So anyway, that's it. Anyway, until the next one.